All right. Strawberry shake time. Okay. 180 grams. I need 240. I need more strawberries. Minus 240. Close enough. Some spring water. Stevia, I need about 25 grams for this. This is 2 servings of a drink. There we go. And there was something else. Oh yeah. Need 4 grams of xanthan gum. Spoon. Okay, that's gonna make it nice and thick. All right, this is my strawberry tummy filler, which is an extremely good drink because it comes out like a malt shop milkshake. And it's gonna be super thick, and this is 2 servings for me and my wife. And because she's got the munchies, and I guarantee after she drinks this, it will not be an issue. All right, get a glass, get my other glass. All right, let's go for it. I'll do the power blend mode, and because of the big strawberries, and see how it comes out. My might have to tamp this. And that was the giant strawberries that were in there. Ooh, even had an air pocket in it. So, let's pour this out here. Yeah. Let's pour this out. And look how nice and thick that is. It's like an ice cream milkshake without being an ice cream milkshake, and that's gonna make the both of us super full. And we're gonna chase this down with some ice cream. And it's like virtually nothing in calories. Wonderful strawberry flavor, nice and sweet. And I might even need a spatula to get all this stuff out. Yeah. Blade scraper tool. Wonderful blade scraper, I love it. This is where it comes in handy. Use a regular spatula, but I like this little blade scraper. Still more. This stuff is so nice and thick that like you really have to go and get it from the container. And so we will consume this plus popcorn, and that will keep us full for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, that's gonna be really, really delicious. A taste test here. Most definitely. Tastes just like a strawberry milkshake, like with ice cream. Definitely really good.